Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the skies with two epic drones, the Holy Stone HS720G, which we'll call Holy Moly, and the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone, or Chubby Buddy. So, buckle up and let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the price. Holy Moly is strutting in with a price tag of $299. Clearly, it thinks it's the Bentley of drones. On the other hand, Chubby Buddy is more budget-friendly at $149. It's like the reliable Toyota Corolla of the drone world. So if you're looking to save some bucks, Chubby Buddy might just be your new best friend. Now, let's soar into camera quality. Holy Moly boasts a 2-axis gimbal with a 4K EIS camera. That's a lot of fancy words for, it's gonna make your Instagram followers jealous. Meanwhile, Chubby Buddy comes with a 2K HD camera, which is still pretty solid. According to reviewers, Holy Moly wins in camera quality with its ability to capture stunning 4K photos and videos. But let's be real. If you're aiming for that hashtag drone photography hashtag, Holy Moly takes the cake and the likes. Alright, battery life, Holy Moly gives you 26 minutes of flight time. Not bad, right? But wait for it. Chubby Buddy has 3 upgraded batteries, giving you a whopping 84 minutes of airtime. That's like watching the extended edition of The Lord of the Rings without needing a pit stop. Reviewers appreciate Chubby Buddy for its extended flight time, making it perfect for those long aerial sessions. So if you want more sky time, Chubby Buddy is your marathon runner. How about ease of use? Holy Moly is packed with features like headless mode, automatic takeoff, and follow me. It's basically your personal drone butler. Reviewers love its user-friendly controls and smooth flying experience. Chubby Buddy, though, is no slouch. It's got 1 key starts landing, optical flow positioning, and even 3D flips. Reviewers find it easy to operate, making it a great option for beginners. Yes, you heard that right, 3D flips. It's like your drone just joined Cirque du Soleil. Now let's talk durability. Holy Moly is built like a tank but weighs less than a can of Coke. Perfect for travel, reviewers praise its solid build quality and reliability. But Chubby Buddy flexes its muscles with strong alloy brushless motors and a composite material that can survive a crash landing from your latest daredevil stunt. Some reviewers, however, have mentioned issues with its stability and durability. If you're as clumsy as a cat on roller skates, Chubby Buddy might be your best bet. Last but not least, let's discuss the extras. Holy Moly has GPS, optical flow positioning, and even a smart return to home feature. It's like the Rolls-Royce of drones with all the bells and whistles. Reviewers love the added features and the reliability of the return to home function. Chubby Buddy isn't far behind, offering follow me, gesture selfie, and trajectory flight functions. It's like a Swiss Army knife in the sky. Plus, it doesn't need FAA registration, so you can fly it without Uncle Sam breathing down your neck. Reviewers generally praise the Holy Stone HS720G for its superior camera quality, user-friendly controls, and solid build, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. On the other hand, the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone is noted for its affordability, extended flight time, and ease of use, although some reviewers have mentioned issues with its stability and durability. Alright folks, there you have it. Holy Moly versus Chubby Buddy. If you're looking for high-end features and don't mind splurging, Holy Moly is your go-to. But if you're balling on a budget and want a drone that'll fly longer than your last relationship, Chubby Buddy is the champion. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic comparisons. Until next time, fly smart with Buy Smart. Product links are in the description.